Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a review. I was sent a chocolate gift pack, and I chose the one that says happy birthday. And this is from Tianya. Xin Tianya, that's how you say it. Um, they sell custom chocolate gift packs, and the way they sell and promote their boxes and gift packs, like just like with this banner that says happy birthday, um, it adds a lot of value to your product. They also do custom um, chocolate gift packs, and like I said, their name is Xin Tianya. I will put everything linked down below in the description. And so no matter what kind of chocolate gift boxes you display and sell, they can design and develop the perfect gift box packaging. So you may have your, this one comes with the, oh, what are they called? Yogurt pretzels. And whatever chocolate gift that you sell, they can design a custom gift box to make it look nice and be very presentable, but so that your display and selling them is much easier. And I'm going to also link this product here, but I will link their website, their YouTube, and I think that's all. So yeah, I chose this one because, well, who doesn't love chocolate pretzels? But you get, these are made by Hazel and Cream, but you get blueberry pretzels, raspberry pretzels, yogurt pretzels, and peanut butter pretzels. But then, and it all comes sealed in a, your box is all sealed in a plastic, like sealed plastic, clear sealed plastic. But it's very, the top of the box, let me show you the bottom. It has a removable tray inside, and then it's an excellent quality box. And on the back you have the seller's information and then the rest of your band. But so if you're interested in selling your chocolates with a great design, they also have, they're fast at manufacturing these boxes. So if you need to have something quickly, then Xin Tianya can design, develop, and then produce your boxes in a very quick time frame. So that is their, and then also I wanted to give you their email address. Let me find it here. It is TINYA, the number 1, at skyprintings.com. And I'm also going to link that down below in the description. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go visit their website, their YouTube channel, and you can look for this product as well. And be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I do a lot of reviews on my channel. And if that's something that you're interested in, then be sure and hit that subscribe button. And I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video, or perhaps another review. Everyone have a wonderful weekend.